In this video, we're going to look at how you can erase all your content and settings on the Mac. Now, before we get started, this does not apply to all of the Macs. You're not going to be able to do this on older Macs as an example. Basically, you're going to be able to do this with Macs that have Apple Silicon, which is the M1 or the M2 chip, or if they have a T2 chip, which means that they have the fingerprint sensor. So if you have a Mac that is not an M1 chip or an M2 chip or Apple Silicon, and it doesn't have the T2 chip, you're not going to be able to use this trick here to erase all of your content and settings. Let's see how we do this. I have a MacBook Air, so let's go and see how we do this. Let's go over to my Mac. So I have a MacBook Air here, and it is an M1 chip. So what I would like to do is erase everything. Maybe I'm selling it or giving it away to someone. How do we do that? Well, it's pretty simple now. Basically, all we have to do is open up our system preferences. So I go up to the Apple menu here, and then from here what we do is we go over to our system preferences. When we open up our system preferences, now what we need to do is go over to our system preferences menu here, and under the menu you're going to see erase all content and settings. That's basically all I have to do is just select this, and from here I go and enter in my password for the computer. I follow the instructions. I'm not going to do this here because I don't want to erase everything, but basically it just steps me through where I need to go, and then it'll delete everything on the Mac. It'll basically make it like it's brand new, like it came out of the box. Now again, you will not be able to see this on older Macs. You do need to have a Mac with Apple Silicon or the T2 chip. So that is how we can erase all of our content and settings on a Mac. Now, if you like this video, you can find more over at dancetutorials.com. I have over 1,600 videos, easy to follow videos for the Mac, iPad, iPhone, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. You can also subscribe to my channel. I'm adding more videos to my YouTube channel, so you may want to subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, you're telling YouTube that you like it, and I could help out other people. What YouTube will then do is recommend my video to other people. So if you found this video helpful, like it, and then YouTube will know that and it'll recommend it to other people. Maybe I can help other people. Anyway, thank you for watching the video, and again, check out my site at dancetutorials.com.